my first time driving an alloy-bodied XK120. It's a 1949 car. The difference in feel between a steel-bodied car and an alloy car, it's not like night and day. It's just lighter. And I can sense, you know, that extra lightness, that few hundred pounds of difference gives the car a kind of crispness under acceleration. And if you're a Jaguar fanatic, then it's worth the premium. I mean, because it's the ultimate XK120. The car is fully sorted. Sometimes restored cars are not really driven cars.
So this is a real driver.
This car just had that feel. Like this is a car you could just jump into and really go somewhere.
At $380,000 for the alloy XK120. $390, they said. 400 now. 400,000. He's back in with me at 400,000. Do I have 430,000? 450 at 450,000. It's going, ladies and gentlemen, for the first time. It's going for the second, third, and last time at $450,000. Sold in your car.